Faces from Challenger round number 7 in Tata Steel Chess Tournament 2026 within between from 15 years old International Master Lu Miaoyi in China versus by super legendary Grandmaster in Ukraine Vasyl Ivanchuk. So it means two brilliant sacrifice with strong with Mikhail Tal with Miao Miao. So it means after brilliant, so it means Miao Miao lose of these games. So what do you think about the studies of these challengers round number 7? So who was the win of the super hero from legendary? So let's study up this of this played chess here. White pieces with Miao Miao versus black pieces in superhero legendary Grandmaster Vasyl Ivanchuk. So 2 hours of round robin or long game without challengers, without standings after round number 7 in Tata Steel Chess 2026. So white plays Miaoyi is e4, c5 Chucky, knight c3 close Sicilian defense, knight c6, and also bishop b5. It is called by this one with openings with close Sicilian defense traditional lines variation, with plannings with Miao Miao 2, attacks with captured with knights here, and also knight d4 with Chucky because knight d4 with Chucky without threats the bishop. So it is called by close Sicilian defense traditional lines bird defense here, because the chooses of this one with knight to d5 here, and also knight f3 with Miao Miao by upcoming by next playing castling kingside here, and also pawn e6 with Chucky here, and also castle kingside with Miao Miao, and also pawn a6 without idea with Chucky to eliminates the bishop here, and Miao Miao backwards bishop d3 here because the bishop d3 with Miao Miao without never by captured with bishop here, and also knight c6 with Chucky. So the first guessing puzzle. So what do you think about the finding brilliant sacrifice move once of this computer with Lu Miaoyi here? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Is knight d5. So the first brilliant sacrifice move, perfect shot by Miao Miao here. So it means this is a good evaluation bar here. And Chucky is knight ge7. So for example, sir, why don't we try is e takes d5 sacrifice with knights here, and also captured because this is a without captured, without openings with kings. So it means without idea with rook e1 with check. So it means these are the pawns without the threats the attacks the knights here. So it means if you move by knight to b4 with threatening the bishop and pawn, so it means double attacks here, and also rook e1 check. So rook e1 check, if you bishop to e7 here with shield of this one with defense, and sacrifice d6 here. Sacrifice. So do not capture with bishop captured pawn. So this is a rook spins with kings with check here. So this is a examples. So it means knight ge7 with Chucky. So the second next puzzle. So what do you think about the once computer second brilliant sacrifice move, perfect shot with Lu Miaoyi, aka Miao Miao? So the second guessing puzzle. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. So the second next brilliant sacrifice move perfect is rook e1. What? So it means second brilliant sacrifice move with Miao Miao. Perfect shot. So it means good evaluation bar here. And also move by d6 with Chucky. So it means without pawns, but not yet ready with captured with knights with sacrifice here. And also with meow meow is knight e3. So it means because the ignorance, so need more live with knight e3. So ignorance, so never by captured with sacrifice with knights here. And also knight g6 with Chucky. Without plannings with Chucky, without idea with next by knight e5 here. And also without pawn c3 with meow meow here, and also bishop e7 with Chucky by upcoming by next playing castling kingside here, and also bishop c2 backwards with meow meow without more of this good bishop without bishop pairs here, and also knight g e5 good precise here without challenge full with knight to knights here without captured here, and also knight captured with meow meow captured. So this is a ugliness by double damage full pawn structure here. And also pawn a4 with meow meow by next strong move by knight. I mean pawn a5. So pawn a5 here. So I'm sorry, I got wrong. So it means pawn a5 is a next move. So it means pawn a4 and also rook b8. So without movement. So this is a novelty from Chucky of these games. So this is a old main lines by first is bishop to d7, second simplified castling kingside. So the third is rook b8 novelty with also with Chucky here, and also pawn g3 with meow meow here, and also pawn b5 because this is a planning this one, so it means pawn b5 without idea without threats attacks with pawn a4 with white pawns here, and also decided is queen e2 with Lu Miaoyi here. So for example, so if you capture this one, if you e takes b5 and also a takes e5, because this is a captured, this is a openings by a files here. So this is a more controls from these examples here. So back there, this one with move with meow meow is queen e2 here, and also castle kingside with Chucky, and also pawn h4. Okay, so pawn h4 is a good determinations here. So this is a without diagonals, without dark square, without three connected pass pawn here, and also pawn f5 with Chucky here. So without pawn f5, without idea, without symbolized, without attacks with captured with pawns here, and also capture this pawn captured. So this is a more captured with Chucky. So this is a more by a files here. This is a without move of this one with controls here, and also queen h5 very strong move with meow meow here. So without Lu Miaoyi, so it means very strong move here, and also f4 without idea with Chucky without threatening the knights and pawns. So this is a double attacks here, and also without knight d5, so not strong. So this is a given bad move, so does not like of this computer engine. So the once of this computer is knight to g2, so not knight d5. So knight g2 is a move of this best move of this control. So this is a good slightly better for whites here. So back there, this one is knight d5, bad move because this is a attacks the bishop here. And also good move excelente with Chucky is bishop d6 without good precise here with legendary Chucky, and also pawn d4. So this is not, so this is not about bad move but also blunder ratio. So because this is a below evaluation bar, so this is a does not like of this computer engine. So it means so the third guessing puzzle, what do you think about the missing the forgot brilliant? So sacrifice with Lu Miaoyi. So guessing third puzzles here. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. So the missing the best sacrifice is knight captured pawn. Boom! Knight takes f4. This is a brilliant sacrifice. So Lu Miaoyi is a missing third brilliant sacrifice here. So if you capture this knight sacrifice here, and also pawn to e5 threatening the bishop here. So this is a threat. And also g6 attacks the queens here. And also without bishop captured sacrifice, so bishop takes g6 sacrifice, without more threatening the with pawns, or maybe without threats with queens threatening by mating net here. And decided by rook, if you rook b7 and also rook b7 without defense the pawns, and also backwards bishop to e4. So once of this computer, so etc etc. So this is a good slightly better for whites here. So it means, so back there is d4. So this is a not, it is not about bad move, plunder ratios here. And also Chucky is captured this pawn. Without captured. Takes. And also captured, good move. And also bishop g5. So this is a strong move with Meow Meow. Without idea, with plannings, with eliminates the queens here. So this is a disturb here. And also, without queen e8, with Chucky, so it means without challenge with queen to queen, and accept Meow Meow, queen takes, rook takes, and also bishop b3. So this is a more defense of this one with light square here. And also, property active, king h8 here. And also, with knight to b4. Because this is a more controls with knight b4 with Meow Meow to never up this one with captured with sacrifice with knights. Or knights without threatening the with challenging knight to knights here. And Chucky is knight captured here, takes bishop captured. So this is a bishop with the threats the disturbance with attacks with temples, attacks with rooks. And also rook f1 with Lu Miaoyi here, or maybe without idea with rook to f7. Okay, rook f7 is the next move here. And also bishop b7 with Chucky without threatening the with free pawns here. And also bishop c2 without defense by pawns e4, and also h6. H6 without threatening the bishop, and also bishop c1 because this is a more from this good bishop pairs here. And also rook a8 without challenge rook to rook, in accept rook takes accepted, rook takes, and also bishop d3 without more controls, without idea with bishop captured pawns here. So it means without, if you bishop captured pawn, so it means bishop captured pawn. So this is a more controls with attacks. And also king to g8, and also pawn to h5. So for example, so if you bishop captures, so it means, how do you think if you bishop captured, so it means leave it by defense the pawns, and bishop captured pawn. So this is a more controls here. So this is a good examples here. So this is a good evaluation bar, so it means with good highest evaluation bar with blacks here. So back there, this one is h5 with Lu Miaoyi, and also bishop e7 with Chucky, and also king f2, more king must be active with Lu Miaoyi, and also king f7 with property active, king must be active with Chucky, and also king e2 because this is a king e2 with more controls with king without openings with pins without check, or rook without e2 with check here, or rook f1 rook f1 here. So rook f1 with check here. And also bishop f6 with Chucky because this is a more of the shield with defense of bishop with behind the kings. And also bishop d2 without good bishop pairs, and also rook a2 without threatening the pawns here without attacks. And also rook b1 without defense the pawns. So this is a below evaluation bar with Lu Miaoyi, so that's not one of this computer, so bad move. So the best is rook c1 here without idea, with more move by rook c7 with check the kings and traps the bishop here. So this is a rook c1 is a best move here. So this is a once of this computer, so slightly better for whites. So back there, this one is rook b1 without defense the pawns with Meow Meow, and also property active king e7 by Chucky, and also bishop b4 checks without check. So another bad move again with Lu Miaoyi. So the best move is rook c1 again. So rook c1, so it means Lu Miaoyi miss up this rook c1 because this is a next of rook c7 with check, and also traps the bishop here. So it means, so Lu Miaoyi miss up this one rook c1. Okay, so back there, this one is bishop b4 with check with Lu Miaoyi, and also king d8 with Chucky, proc active, and also bishop d2 without go backs, without repeats, and also king c7 with Chucky, bishop b4 again, bishop c6 without defense the pawns. Why? Because these are the bishop, so need more careful without bishop attacks the pawns here. So this is a controls here. And defense by bishop c6 with Chucky, bishop d2 again with Lu Miaoyi, bishop e7, and also pawn g4 without defense the pawns. And also king b6 with Chucky, king must be active, king f3 with Miao Miao, and also bishop e8 here, and also king e2 with Lu Miaoyi, and also b4 without idea with harassment with push b3. Oh my god, very strong again with legendary by Vasyl Ivanchuk. And also bishop e1 with Lu Miaoyi, and harassment by pass pawn criminals, pawn b3. What? So this is a very strong move with Vasyl Ivanchuk. So this is a harassment with push. So this is a pass pawn criminals here. So very dangerous because the pawns, white pawns with Lu Miaoyi cannot move with pawn b3 because this is a harassment with pass pawn criminals, pawn b3 with bad pawns with, so it is black pawns here. And also bishop g3 with Lu Miaoyi, or maybe without idea with threatening the pawns here. And also bishop d6 defends the pawns, and also bishop c4 because the bishop c4 with Lu Miaoyi, so it means without idea with plannings with double attacks with pawns. So without choose of this one with b3 or e6. So this is a double attacks. And also the excelente, very strong with harassment with Chucky, bishop b5. Oh my god. So it means without white bishop cannot capture with double attacks this pawn. So this is a two connected pass pawn because this is a bishop with pins without check. Oh my god. So this is a harassment. So this is a pass criminals here. So without archery, without warriors here. And also king d3 with Miao Miao without defense the bishop, and also rook a7 without plannings with Chucky, rook to f7, or maybe without rook next by rook f3 with check here. So this is a more of this next check here. And also bishop h4, and also rook f7, good process by next plannings with check, rook f3 here without check. And also bishop d8 check here, and also king c5, and also bishop captured with Miao Miao, king captured with Chucky, and also g5 sacrifice. Oh my god, sacrifice here. And rook backwards f8. So it means, so do not capture. So this is a damage by ugliness pawn structure, and bishop captured pawn. So this is a more controls here. So it means this is a not examples. So no need from this one with capture. So without idea with Chucky, so it means focusing is rook to f8. So no need by this one with never by captured. See, these are the rooks without idea, without threatening the bishop here. And also captured with Miao Miao, captured with Chucky, and also bishop h4 with Miao Miao, and also rook f3 check, and also king e2. Oh my god, upcoming with check. Rook e3 check with Chucky, king f2, rook captured pawn. Oh my god. So it means because this is a kings without movement, so it means, so pass pawn is a pawn traps here. Without idea Chucky, rook captured. So it means, so 2 connected pass pawn with Miao Miao versus 5 connected pass pawn with Chucky. So almost by, so lowest 1 minute and plus 51 seconds with Lu Miaoyi, and also 17 minutes plus 23 seconds with Chucky. So this is a strong of this one, so very focusing concentrations with Chucky here. And also bishop g3 with Miao Miao, rook g4 with Chucky, and also rook a1, and also rook g5 without idea with Chucky, threatening the pawns here. So this is a attacks this one. And also rook a8 check, and also last shot bishop c5 without decided this one. So Lu Miaoyi resigns. So I thought Miao Miao was known was winning of this one. So the score with Meow Meow 86.5 and highest accuracy score 92.3, Vasyl Ivanchuk. So it means Vasyl Ivanchuk is a win of challenger. So I will next up this one with Masters round number 8 between with Anishkiri versus Norderbeck up to Satoru. So I will next up this analyze soon. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi 17 aka IconMark17. Have a good day, keep safe, and don't forget to subscribe by notification below for bells from this Mark Logi 17 in YouTube account and Mark Logi 17 part 2 in Tagalog Cebuano. So have a good day and keep updates of this next chess updates. Bye bye.